In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a digital product on Gumroad. First, open your favorite browser and go to Gumroad. Once the website loads, log into your account. If you don't already have one, click Start Selling and create a new account using your email, Google, X, Facebook, or another available method. After signing in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now open the product section from the left sidebar and click New Product. Next, choose Digital Product since you want to upload a downloadable file. Now enter your product title and set a price. You can also change the currency if needed. After that, click Next, Customize. Inside the customization page, you can add your product description explaining what buyers will receive and why your product is valuable. Then upload a cover image and thumbnail to make your product look more professional and attractive. You can also customize product settings like the call to action button, pricing options, refund policy, quantity settings, and integrations with platforms like Discord or Circle if you want. Once you finish customizing, click Save and Continue. Now open the content section where you can upload your digital files such as PDFs, zip files, videos, audio files, templates, software files, or other downloadable content. After uploading your files, review everything carefully and click Publish and Continue. Your product will now be live, and Gumroad will generate a shareable product link that you can post on social media, websites, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else to start getting sales. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.